What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to show you here. This was one of the deciding factors, or one of the big factors in me getting this front deck Grasshopper. This is the T729. Of course, you can get this, I think, on most all of them, but it's the power fold deck. And I've not done this yet, so don't judge me on this, but we're gonna give it a whirl. I'm not exactly sure how. I figured that locked up. So let me fasten y'all. So let me give this a whirl, what we do here. There it is, look at there. And I can't, voila. So that's a big factor in me getting this to where I could not have to jack it up. Those front deck mowers, I was using the Tommy lift on the Dodge. Of course, that's not the safest in the world, but I was having to get on the ground and, you know, and go under the mower. Just trying to save myself from having to do that. I'm getting older. And so this was a big factor right here, this power fold. Got my little Milwaukee toolbox to set on. I got the M12. That's a 1/2 inch drive. It's a 3/4 inch socket that goes on it. If it's a little dark, but I'm not gonna do this out in the sun for y'all. Those of you that are professional mowers, I'm not a professional at anything. I just get it done. But do you like do yours sideways and the two on the ends up straight where they're not meeting at the same time? How do y'all do it? Just like that, she done.